Fiji, as we all know, has been besieged with a lot of natural disasters recently, cyclones, flooding, and even earthquakes. And in the aftermath of tropical cyclones Yasa and Ana, there's been a lot of damage, and a need to reinstate a lot of our roading infrastructure in Fiji. Roading is obviously a critical infrastructure for our country. So the ministry has had to work through the Fiji Roads Authority, which has been trying to give its best within the resource that it has. It has committed itself to restoring the roads and in so doing accessibility to the people of Fiji. Currently, the restoration works for the Central Division, according to the estimates by Fiji Roads Authority in the aftermath of these two cyclones, was around 98%. And for the Western and Northern Divisions, approximately 75%. And for the Eastern Division, approximately 85% completed of what we wanted to do in the aftermath of cyclones Yasa and Ana. But because of continuous rain, even when we don't have the cyclones, the rain has been continuing to pour. Even today, we're seeing a fresh flooding in Lambasa as a result of the rains that is taking place there. Because of this, the FRA has yet to complete about 20% of its survey works in the interior, in Vunualevu, and also in Viti Levu. And we also have the constant problems of when you try to reinstate crossings in particular, there's another flood and it washes it away. And I've seen this myself in Vunualevu soon after Yasa, and again last week when I was in Vunualevu. So at the moment, FRA has put together the people that about 110 delivery personnel and 800 contractor personnel, trying to make sure that they can re-establish these roads. So some of these people are working 10 to 12 hours a day. Some of them are working 7 days a week. So reconstruction teams are still on site. And last weekend, when I was in Vunualevu, I saw a lot of these reconstruction teams on site in the various roads. There are also 25 known problematic low-level crossings, which have been included in FRA Forward Works Plan for replacement, with a new resilient crossing similar to the ones that we've seen in Nosori and Savu crossings in Ra. So that, Mr. Speaker, is just a very broad update on the progress and the recovery of the roading infrastructure that we have in the country. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
I thank the Honourable Minister. We will move on.